The members of All Nehu Workers Union at a press conference held on Friday requested a response from concerned authorities of the Northeastern Hill University. It may be reminded that on 29 April 2022, a charter of demands of the union had been submitted to the Vice Chancellor of Nehu, Professor Prabha Sankar Shukla, but despite the 1-month response period and recent protests, there has been no response from the authorities' end. The protest that is led by Advocate Napoleon Maupnyang is in view of demands related to rights and privileges of all casual workers who have been serving the prestigious institution for years altogether. These include regularization of staff whose service is more than 10 years, the demand for equal pay for equal work, the demand for maternity leave for female workers, besides other demands that include EPF and ESI for all casual workers. Speaking to media persons, Advocate Napoleon Maupnyang informed that till date there has been no response or communication from the Vice Chancellor or other concerned authorities on fulfillment of the demands of the unorganized sector of the university. While informing about circulars to departments signed by the Assistant Registrar Administration, Iban Lingdo, the spokesperson of the union also stated that it is against the constitution of the university that circulars and other documents cannot be signed by an administrative officer, but each of these has to be circulated under the hand and seal of the university's Vice Chancellor. To this, the Workers' Union also demanded a clarification from the university authorities, added Maupnyang.
Padang kini sipun gigi cingi atau kadang bersih bersama dekat charter demana kat flight tarik April. Dan kalian ngajungi hakini sahabat hadu mentar ni ap kata kat charter demana ai porlai pos ni hadu bakut benai merong ni pada Jepang. Dan kata kadang ni don gaji ki sebar ke BC office hanehu. Bar kini padang gaji ki jungi lagi baca kelomba bun pai bar mesin mar boleh syak berngam. Syak berngam bayang jong ka hok syak berngam. Ki ia kini sebaldap pernah kalian wai ara demen jong kanehu ba ai banang do lomba la isu ki notice firura bun ki notice ki lomba la isu mai la thok mai klam gajing don gajing san jing VC kablong ka constitution ka ti store roti punya kam juga nehu lomba mla argument ban san ka jika VC reng ini kini sebab momenen kami ka sti lomba berngam belum strict ka tenan kemudian tai baik he belum kita ngi berngam belum penduk tu lah bro nomor di daily wage dalor kan nogram lomba ngina kan jing ngilngo hat mana ba ai bor ba ai banang do ban snam ketika order engkong kata kap ar kelomba bel ngo hato ba ai banang do bar admission section long hilak nam klik la dadon kono no kaji nyap kaji im hanehu nomor kumpulong menta pa ba boring la chat kan do strict jong menta bunai te na tak pa don badang bomla pasat kan do strict tengi sat kan akan dengan rutrik beradab dapat ba mentang ada rutrik ada mentang sat kan nak kalian jumpa ba tekbal ngisngung otak tu kai ga jingi anagi bor bah lor ta belum ban sujur play jing tho la nam la ngim ong belum ba pin aina word ki demand jongi ba ni stu ka tan mar belum ba hane hu hi kat kom system belum habiat ni komiti ba per mula simrai simrai dan nak kalian jing Shillong ba ai de jing pan ga jing tho ngi dawa jing tho belum ha kono rem bala nam la ban ai regular da ong la syab jing tho bala da ong la ro ai jing tho balik mula ha kono rem kom mesti jing ki don nanti ka ani belum ba kin barna dari hero di direction belum balak mana regular